माननीय सभासदों, माननीय
Honorable members, I kindly welcome you all to the witness session of the Youth Parliament. So, this session will
यदः विधिना स्थापितं भारतस्य संविधानं प्रति सत्यां श्रद्धां निष्ठां च
नेता द्वारा जताए गए शोक की इज्जत करता हूँ और उसमें खुद को भी शामिल करता हूँ। पहलगाम, जो कि भारत का एक मुख्य पर्यटन स्थल है, जहाँ देश विदेश से लोग
demanding answers. This tragic incident has taken innocent lives that could have been saved with proper precautions. It has raised serious concerns about.
My question is about the inferior food qualities in IRCTC railways. The service of the IRCTC railways is not acceptable according to the High Court. It is not justifiable. I would like
मंत्रालय अपनी पूरी कोशिश में लगा हुआ है कि IRCTC द्वारा रेल यात्रियों को सभी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराई जाएं।
And there is a general complaint that the food supplies in railways is of inferior quality and unhygienic. The law restrictions of the private class of food are usually own charge. How does the Ministry of Railway propose to come this list?
18% GST, ये दो लाइन काफी है।
यही तो जीएसटी की विलंबना है। बात सिर्फ आम जनता की ही नहीं, व्यापार जगत में भी काफी आशंकाएं हैं। Thus, Speaker Madam, will the Ministry be pleased to
Businesses enterprises demand of expertise, and there have been numerous complaints filed against the GST. Moreover, Indian
legal on the Standard Board of Excise and Custom website, CBEC website, in both Hindi and
पढ़ा नहीं होगा। अपनी बहुमूल्य वस्तुओं को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए लोग
using our roots. That's why we are focusing on integrating art, language and culture. Programs like Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I repeat, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We have बहुत सीखे दिशा में तो कुछ प्रयास कर रहे हैं। मेरी राय में बिल्कुल निरंतर है।
Madam, it is reported in different parts of our country that dengue, malaria, chikungunya are very active nowadays, which are mosquito-borne diseases. All the cities are really mosquito-producing.
Members, please be seated.
Brain fever in Gorakhpur. The outbreak of such disease is going to happen in other places also. This is a clear evidence of failure of such bar missions.
2 अक्टूबर यानी कि गांधी जयंती को तो हर एक भारतीय बड़े बड़े नारे लगाता है कि हम अपने देश के लिए जान देने को तैयार है, हमारा देश सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, हम अपने देश को साफ रखेंगे। लेकिन
for farmer societies in India, we would like to know what are the steps this government has taken in this regard to save the sons of our soil.
Forward are the report given by NCRB under the study titled Accidental Deaths in Farmer Society. The report states that the major cause of farmer suicide are, I repeat their members,
हमारे सामने खड़ी है, जिसके हजारों उपाय सोचने के बावजूद भी विफल initiated new program to strengthen the POCSO Act. The POCSO is also an online complaint box for reporting sexual offences. It is an NCPCR which enables children to report directly to the Commission. It enables easy reporting and timely action. I repeat, it enables easy reporting and timely action against the POCSO Act.
Now, the question is that the constitution stands apart of the bill. Those who are in favor of it will say aye. Aye.
those who raise it will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. The bill is passed.